Alright, 18,000 B2 Whirlpool I got from Dave. Thanks again. It's basically a large chassis Cirrus cold spot. It's a big 18,000 BTU 20 amp plug. Yep, 18,000 BTU is model ATL 18040. Claims to pull about, I think that says 14 amps. Ow. Freaking power went out. The space heater cut out. But let's see if I can get the fan to come out of this for now. Yep. No front panel, unfortunately. Pretty quiet on ball, or night cool. Yeah, it's not going to run for long, but here it goes. Sounds pretty good. Gonna have the logo remade. Other than that, it's really clean. There's a Delco motor on it. Yeah, there's almost no rust at all in this thing. Space heater, cut it out.
Yeah, get down the whole upstairs.
Really? Alright. Yeah, she's cool. Yeah, if and when I do get a front panel for this, it'll be really quiet. Yeah, that's cool. Ice cold. Pretty nice sounding AJ. Yeah, a few thousand BTUs larger, this would have had an AH or something like that. There it goes. So that's all I'm going to get out of it for now. Back to normal. And super. Yep. Alright, that's it for now.